Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at under the hood, more specifically the hood of this 2008 G35. So most likely yours will be G37. Everything after 2008 is a G37 or a Q40. So we're going to pop it. Sorry for the wind, if there is any. And here's the problem. Once you pick the hood up, it just drops right back down, so it won't hold itself basically. So these shocks are old and need to be replaced, both of these guys. So I'm gonna find something I can pry this thing with, and then we're gonna try to pop those out and put new ones in. Alright, so I found a stick to hold it up for now, and here are the new shocks. Basically they're from Amazon and they were only 20 bucks. So they appear to be really good quality. Lift Support is the company. So as you can see, there's clips here. You have to pry it out so they'll open, and then you can put it in and then push them back in. Same thing on this side too. So we're going to try to get the old ones out. Alright, let's see if we can get this one out here. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm just prying on it. As you can see, it popped out, so it should be able to just come off now. Yep, and it does. So simple as that. Same thing for the one up there. Move the camera. Same thing over here. Just pry it out. And it pops right out. Now the old one's out. So here's the new one. And to put this one in, you just need to pry it out again. So you can open it up, just push it in there, and that's it. That side's in. And now we go to this side, and as you can see guys, that it's overly extended here by a lot. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to pick up the hood with my hand so this thing can reach where it needs to go. Actually, these you don't even have to pry out. They just click right in, so the springs are not that strong. So believe it or not, with this one brace changed, or shock changed, the other side, it's already, the hood's already holding. So, and my prop just fell. So just one does the job technically. But I'm gonna go ahead and change that one, obviously. Alright, same for this side. We'll just pop it out. The hood's not going anywhere at all because the other side is holding really good. So as you can see, that was pretty easy. A 5-minute job. So we got the new one here. Just clicks in. And the bottoms. Now I'm gonna have to raise the hood just a little bit. And that's it. Alright guys, so that's it. As you can see, the hood's sitting up all by itself now. And man, it's actually kind of hard to close. It's so strong. Honestly, a little bit too strong. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's not very hard. So here are the old ones. They've had better life. I'm guessing these are original. They're still, yeah they are. I'm guessing. There's Japanese lettering all over. So all you'll need is just a flat screwdriver, and that's it for this. Alright guys, so hopefully this was helpful. And if your hood's not holding, it's a very easy fix, 20 bucks, and you can definitely do them yourself. Not a big deal. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Check out my other videos where I fix the trims and other things in this car. And subscribe to see more videos of this car. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.